Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is going over our daily routine, our daily income producing activity. And what is that? Our daily income producing activity that we've been doing for the last today be day 24. Last 24 days is going to ClickBank, right? Which is a free affiliate network, getting one of the offers that pays 75% commission for free, copying and pasting the link and the email swipe, going over to My Lead Gen Secret, which is a platform that allows you to email 100 to 200 leads a day. But the catch is they give you those 100 to 200 leads every day, right? It also gives you the ability to do that. It is an emailer, right? And also it's an affiliate program by itself. So what we're going to do today is what we do every day, brain. Pinky, we plan to take over the world. No, what we're going to do today is we are going, hold on, I dated myself with the whole Pinky and the brain thing. But anyway, what we're going to do today is go over the stats, go over the headlines, go over the subject lines, and see if we got any more opens than yesterday, see if we got any sales, and just look at the stats. Then we're going to get the offer. Copy and paste it because it's as simple as copy and pasting. So when you see those ads and everything talking about want to make $100 a day, how about if you want to make $100 a day copy and pasting, or you want to copy and paste your way to success? This is what they're talking about. You go onto this website, copying, going to this website and pasting, hitting send. It's as easy as that. So next time you see an ad or a headline saying you want to earn $100 a day, can you copy and paste? You already know it's legit, right? Because we are doing that same thing. But it always takes two main components in order to make all of that work, which leads me to what my Facebook post was today. So we're going to jump over to my Facebook post and see what that was today. So here's what I posted today, 6 hours ago. It says, so on December 9th, I decided to try the ClickBank My Lead Gen Secret Making Money Online method, which is very affordable. That's what we've been doing. I have officially earned enough money to pay for my Lead Gen Secret account for a year. And anything additional from today is pure profit. And I put the brief math here, right? Because it costs $30 a month for My Lead Gen Secret, which comes out to $360. The commissions that I've earned so far within 4 weeks came up to $407, and the difference between the two is $47. So basically, $47 in profit, and that's like 1 month or 1.5 months additional past the year of My Lead Gen Secret. But I'm good. I'm gonna take my $407, right, and separate that out and save that just for my Lead Gen Secret automatic withdrawals. So anything else out of there is profit. On top of if I get my affiliate commissions from there, that's profit as well. Okay, so that's how that works. So it's pretty good business, right? So I can just take profit off of everything going forward. So here's the formula. You need 4 things to do this method, right? The first 2 things are something you can't buy or sign up for. So this is strictly for action takers. These required ingredients are patience, commitment, of course, the ClickBank account, which is free, and you can earn 75% commissions, and then the My Lead Gen Secret, which is $30 a month. But the first 2, those are mindset type of things. Those are how we are gonna. Those are the 2 things that we are going to need in order to continue on the journey, to daily be able to do what we're doing, and that's patience, because your success is only measured by what we set it at, right? So people are like, they need to be patient because the success that they're measuring in is if I'm earning something today. Where your success should be is, did I complete my income producing activity today? If you've done that for the day, you had a successful day. So that's the baby steps, right? That's what you need to make sure you do. Copy and pasting every day, emailing, that is what you should base your success on. And then once you get into the habit of that, right, then you can raise the bar or whatever. Anyway, that's just how I can put it out there. But 2 main components is patience and commitment. Then you add your free ClickBank. Then you add your My Lead Gen secret. So, step 1, join the free affiliate network, ClickBank, to promote the offer that we recommend, which we already know, and that's that social paid jobs one. That's free. Then you go and sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. There'll be a link in the description box below, right? That's $30 a month, and you're going to start off getting 100 leads. And if you promote the My Lead Gen Secret in the PS line or on Facebook or on other social media platforms, you could probably pick up an affiliate, right? And turn that into 200 leads. Number 3, take the recommended offer from ClickBank with the email swipe and copy it and paste it into the My Lead Gen Secret. That was the hard part, right? You copy and paste your affiliate link and the provided email swipe. Step number 4, you click send, then repeat for the next 30 days. Then you record your results. That's it. Important, use the commissions you earn to fund your My Lead Gen Secret account first for the next 6 months to a year, right? Because you want to get enough in your fund to pay for your system so that everything else comes out as profit. Then anything you make over that is pure profit, kind of like mine. I made $407 in the last 30 days using this method, and it's only one account, by the way, and it only costs basically $360 for the year subscription. You do the math. I'm already $47 in profit, not counting if I counted my affiliate commissions that I get every month, right? So after today, anything I make using this method is pure profit. And here's just a screenshot of so far what I've made, and you can do the math, right? So I posted that on Facebook to let everybody know the plan. Let everybody know that it's not a secret how you can make money online. I put the recipe, I put the secret formula all out there. Anyway, so let's jump over to My Lead Gen Secret and take a look at this. Let's log in. So anyway, let's go to stats. This is what it looks like from yesterday. Today is the 4th, right? So on the 1st, we sent this email. We had 43. If you remember yesterday, there was only a 11 open difference between these two. And we did this whole little funny thing, right? So basically, we sent the same email twice in a row. And look at the numbers. Look at the opens, right? Look at the open rate percentage. Look at the clicks. There's 100 clicks difference, right? And that reflects in the percentage here. So we already know that this subject line is probably a winner because for 2 days in a row, it had 4,300 opens. So I bet if we put it on ice for a minute, then bring it back in a week or two, it'll still be a banger, right? This one we sent yesterday, $150 a day. We sent that previously on December 25th, where we had 5,615 clicks. That's this one here. That rose higher from that. Actually, that one is still getting clicked on or something. No, it stopped getting clicked on the 1st. That just seems weird because these opens, it's funny because these opens, that's like 5,600 opens. That's a good percentage, almost 8%. I mean, that's pretty good, right? Wouldn't you say so? But we saw that this did pretty good, so we reused that headline again up here, and we're already at 3,200 opens, right? Which I wouldn't be surprised if we get a sale off of it, but you know how people are. It depends on if it's the day that they want to buy. So anyway, let's take a look at yesterday's email. This was the email we chose, $150 a day, uploading Instagram pics. And it was, then I put my little 100% cash payment program right here. So anyway, that's what that looked like. Let's take a look and see if we got any affiliate commissions. Nope, still the same as the other day. So let's come back over here. You can see it's up and down, up and down. This is the highest right here on the 25th. And it was this that had the most opens. So what we're going to do is jump over to ClickBank and check it out. See what we got. It's going to be a quick video today. Log in. And no, we didn't get any additional sales. Today is the end of the week. But we finished strong, right? We made $137 for the week. So we go $155, $31, $84, then $137. That's pretty good. Let's go jump over to our Opps. So off of yesterday's email, On the 3rd, we had a total of 274 clicks. Let's jump over here and look at that. On the 3rd, that's off. That's very off, right? That's off like 200 clicks, right? Or 100, what does it say? Yeah, about 150 clicks or something like that. Wow. That's off a lot. But anyway, so let's go down here and take a look at tracking ID for the 3rd, which was yesterday. We had 3 links, so here they are. Link 1 got 84 clicks, no impressions. Link 2, 68 clicks, 0 impressions. And link 3, 55 clicks with 0 impressions. So, boo. That was a bad day. But I'm positive because I've already paid for the year. So once you pay for the year, yeah, you can kind of afford to have a bad day, right? Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump back over here to our marketplace. We're going to select our email, and we're just going to do it again. Now, the thing is that, let's see, go e-business. There's other offers here, and I'm just trying to figure out how do I find those other offers real quick. Gravity. Oh, what did I press here? Hold on. E-business and marketing. Right. Hold on. Let me go back. Let me refresh this. No results found. What the heck is going on? Gravity. Did I press the right thing? Let's go back. Dashboard. Marketplace. Here we go. I don't know. What the heck? No results found. What the heck is going on here? Am I not selecting something right? Pause. So I'm not sure what's going on here. So basically what I did is I came to dashboard and then I came up to marketplace and I'm coming to the offers, right? And I always click this. I click that and there's no offers here. And I'm not sure. Oh, hold on. I'm not sure what's going on here. So what is it called? Get paid. Get paid. Let's try. For whatever reason, there's no offers pulling up, and I'm not sure why. It's a glitch in the matrix or something. I don't know, but it's blank, and I don't know why. Anyway, let me try to refresh it one time. E-biz and marketing, and there's nothing still. Let's go here to gravity. Go to gravity. Hit refresh. Well, anyway, I ain't about to spend too much time trying to figure that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here. I'm going to go to mailing. And I'm just going to go pick, man, I don't know what the next sequence was in the emails. But we'll just go and we'll pick one that we got already. This is a total fail today, huh? So what we're going to do, let's go real quick and see which one we're going to take. We are going to go, which was that one? Let's go back here. We're just going to randomly pick one now because I'm kind of bummed out that that's not working right. What's another one with some high clicks? We want to keep promoting the same opportunity though, so we already did that one, right? The quickest 100. That we did. That was that one. That was that one. Where's the other one? We'll just do this one. We already did that one again. Oh, we'll do this one here. No. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this one. But we're gonna, and it's $7,500 a day chatting on Facebook. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here. And I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with that. It just won't pull up. For whatever reason, it won't put up. It's like the page is not populating or something. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm just going to go here. I'm going to select the $175 one here. So when I load it, what I'm going to do is of course I'm going to eliminate this box and put it to $. Chatting on Facebook Messenger. $7,500 a day chatting on Facebook Messenger. Please confirm account activation. That's what I'm gonna say. Confirm account activation. Keep it like that. I already have all of this in place. I'm gonna update the MLGS. I'm gonna put the date in here to 01/04/22. This is what link 1, LINK 1, and just copy this, Control C, hit OK. So that's the link 1. Scroll down here, boom. And this is gonna be link 2. Put this number to the 2. Okay. You know what? I don't like that. From your. Okay. And then here, link number 3. Boom. Boom. Here, Control V. Put a 3 right here. Okay. And we're just going to leave this ebook here. And we're going to put him, and this is my 10422. This is my my multiple income funnel link for a free ebook. So we'll put that there. Grab your free ebook, How to Make 6 Figures in 6 Months. And I'll put no BS. There. So that's what we're going to do. Keep it simple. I'm not sure why that was glitching out or whatever on ClickBank. It's just super weird that was doing that. See, I can't even retrieve anything. If I go to betting. Yeah, I'm getting sidetracked, but because that's the problem. Anyway, let's look at preview here. That link is good. This link is good. This link is good. This link is good. Okay, so we're good. So what I'm gonna do is come here, boom, and hit up. Let me double check up here. 69,900. Tomorrow we'll have 70,000 leads, and I'll hit send, which is sweet. Sweet. Now let's jump back over here. Why isn't this working? ClickBank. So dashboard seems to work. If I click here, it takes me to my stats here, right? Dashboard. But if I go to marketplace and I go to ebook and e-marketing, it's still only bringing up that top one. Something's wrong. It says no results found. So anyway, I'm gonna just log out. Anyway, well, looks like there was a glitch in the matrix, but I don't know. Well, anyway, that's all we got today. We did our one task for today. We almost got sidetracked. Almost went down a rabbit hole. We did our one task for today. We went to ClickBank, got the offer, got the email, copied and pasted in my lead gen secret. Strike that. We really didn't do that. What we did is we used an existing email, changed the link dates, and just resent it because of the complication that we had in ClickBank for some reason. But anyway, now I got to debate if I want to even load this video up. I think I will because it's still content, right? Anyway, that's all that I got. All the links are in the description box below. Sorry for the technicalities, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.